Good morning children, this is 6.1 exercise, page number 96. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersects at O. Okay, now this is AB and this is CD. They are intersecting at point O. If already given AOC and BOE 70 degrees, find angle BOE and reflex of COE. Now what is given here? Already it is given angle AOC and angle BOE is equal to 90 degrees. This is given. Now if you observe carefully here, this AOC, this is angle AOC and this is angle BOD. So these two angles, they are the vertically opposite angles. Okay, always these vertically opposite angles will be equal. That is why AOC is equal to BOD. Okay, one more thing is given, BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, this BOD is given, this is also given. But AOC and BOD, they are equal. Therefore, if BOD is 40 degrees, even AOC will be 40 degrees. Okay, next is given is AOC plus BOE is 70 degrees. Already it is also given. Okay, now we have got AOC as 40 degrees. So if you substitute the value of 40 degrees, so you will be getting now this 40 when it goes to this side. 70 minus 40, BOE is equal to 30. Okay, now BOD and BOE, they are the adjacent angles. BOD what is BOD? This is BOD and this is BOE. This is BOE. So they are adjacent angles. They have a common arm OB. This is the common arm is the OB. Okay, then DOE angle, total DOE is equal to, this is the DOE angle. So DOE is equal to, this is E. So EOB plus BOD. EOB plus DOE is equal to BOD plus BOE. BOD, this is BOD and this is BOE. Okay, but BOD, already we have got BOD as 40 degrees. BOD as the, this is the BOD 40 degrees and BOE as the 30 degrees. So if you add up those two, you will be getting the 70 degrees. Okay, we have got 70 degrees. Now reflex of, we need the reflex of COE. Reflex of COE we have to find out. Reflex, what is the reflex of COE here? Actually, this is the COE. Okay, this is the COE. Reflex means this पूरा angle, पीछे जो angle है वो reflex है. So ये total if you take here, total if you ये पूरे आपको मिला है तो 360 degrees होना चाहिए. But already we have got the angle COE. COE is the reflex of COE. Reflex of COE is equal to this angle. Okay, reflex of कैसे आएगी COE? This angle I will write with the other pen. Reflex of COD is the COD means this angle. COD means this angle. This total angle is the green, with green I am showing. This is the reflex of COE. Now this is the COE. COE I will be doing with the black pen. This is COE we want the reflex of COE is equal to this green पेन से मैंने जो की, that is the reflex of COE. तो वो कैसे आएगी? एंगल COD, this is the COD, plus angle BOD, this is the angle BOD. So COD is what? It is nothing but straight angle, 180 degrees COD. So that is why COD is 180 degrees and DOE, just now we got DOE is equal to 40 degrees. Sorry, DOE is already, DOE is, यहाँ we have got 70 degrees. Understood? So angle already DOE is what? DOE is the angle BOE plus BOD. Okay, that is why it is 70 degrees. Then you have to substitute 70 degrees. DOE is equal to BOD plus BOE, 70 degrees we have got. So this DOE, so 80 degrees plus 70 degrees, so that is equal to reflex of COE is 250 degrees. Thank you.